Hey there everyone, in this video of FreeCAD series, I'm going to talk with you about how we can customize our sketcher preference in FreeCAD. Now this particular setting is very important to do because for example here, if I start creating a new part and then I'm gonna create a sketch here. Let's take this plane and now I am plotting a rectangle. Now since the background view here is white and seems like the under constrained sketcher color is also white, it is very difficult for me to see the object. Now this kind of sketch I would say is okay if in case you are working in dark mode or dark theme, which let me quickly change here. Now here you can see when I change the theme, I can see my sketch, but previously it was not visible. So what we can do in such case is we can go here in preferences. Here in appearance, I can change my geometry color. So right now for under constrained geometry, the color is white. So let me choose a color that is like, easy to view. For example, let's make it blue. So I'm gonna make it blue. Okay, seems like this sketcher is completely constrained. And when I go here in sketch, edit sketch, you can see now the sketcher color is blue and is a little bit more visible. However, now let me again go back here and edit preferences, and probably the background is also blue. Let me choose another color. Maybe I can make it yellow. And now it is even better visible. Similarly, you can also change the color of fully constrained sketch and so on. You can also define or increase or decrease the width of it. Let me make it 5. Now we can see here the sketcher is much more visible, or I would say easy to read and modify. Now again, let me go here and edit preferences. Like this, we can also change and control other features inside SketchUp, for example, geometry, construction geometry, internal alignment geometry, and so on. So in this way, guys, you can customize your sketcher appearance and can make it the way you want. Now let me go back here to the theme, which is in edit preference, and then in general, let's again select back to the same one, which was FreeCAD dark. So that's how, guys, you can customize your sketcher appearance inside FreeCAD. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. Make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD tutorial series, and I will see you around in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.